Hey everyone, welcome back to Yamparala Media. In this today's video, I will be showing my work and content creation setup, which I just set up today, and today's date is 13 January 2022. So I hope you guys will be enjoying it, and will be starting your own content creation journey as well as the things that you want to do. So keep watching this video and give a thumbs up if you like this video. So here we are, and now I will be revealing my setup. So here it is. So this is my setup, work and content creation. So here what we have is, this is my laptop where I usually do all my work related to the office. And here we have earphones, mouse, laptop, which is a Lenovo one, and it's 3 years old, but still it is having a lot of power. It's a gaming laptop, by the way. So here I have a PC on which I have Notion opened, where I have everything that I want, what I need to work upon today. And in the plus thing is that you can have this type of widget in your Notion, so that you can know that how much of the year is left, the time left to end this month, not time but the percentage, week, day and life. So here I have Notion and all my main social pages like my LinkedIn account and my Twitter. So I usually be present on these two platforms as per of social, so I explore them on this device. And coming to the work, I use this one. In downside, as everyone used to have a lot of wires and electric supply, is a Wi-Fi here. Here I have my charging cable, USB to charge my phone, and yeah. So this is an overall setup of mine. And coming to the content creation part, I use one light here and another light here, so that it gives a balanced one. Let me show that. So right now I don't have any good camera, so I can record myself. So I just use my laptop webcam, and this gives a good picture because we have light here at the top, at the left side as well as at the right side. So this is what is my setup. I hope you will love this. And so I just want to say that whatever you guys do, just love it and put yourself at the first, and just crack this year as the best as you can. That's it for this video. I will meet you in next one. And if you like this type of content on startup, business and design, follow us and subscribe to our channel. Okay then, bye.